What if I told you that Claude can now build fully working AI apps inside Claude itself? No coding skills, no API key, no separate hosting, not even deployment headache. You just describe what you want and Claude builds a live working AI powered app right inside the chat. And the best part, you can try it right now in your browser for free, no downloads needed. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what this feature is, how to enable it. Hi there everyone, welcome to Technaholic AI, where we harness the power of AI to 10x your productivity. My name is Preetham and today we are covering one of the most exciting and underrated features Anthropic has released. The AI-powered app built directly inside Claude, and this works both on Claude desktop and on Claude browser. And for your information, right now I am running Claude inside Safari. So no matter you use Claude, you can follow us along right now. And before we begin, let me also explain what this actually is, because there is a big difference between regular Claude artifact and AI-powered artifact. You probably already know that Claude can create artifacts. Those interactive widgets or code block that appear on the right side of your chat. And I can show you some of the artifacts that I created in past are the following. For example, this calculator.html, which is a simple interactive application created inside Claude. Alright, so now I'm going to talk about the AI-powered artifact. For that, first of all, you need to enable it. And in order to enable it, you can simply go here in your settings, and after that you need to go to capabilities, and inside capabilities you will see this visual option and artifact option, and here it says AI powered artifact. So all here we need to do is we need to turn it on, and now you can create AI powered artifact. All you need to do, you need to say let's build an AI app. All right, so we're gonna start our prompt by saying let's build an AI app. Now I'm gonna again start a new chat and let's start working on it. And for those users who want to use desktop, I would say the option is exactly same. So here you can see this is Claude desktop, and again I'm going to setting and in same option which is capabilities, and here you're going to see in a visual group AI powered artifact, which you can turn it on. Alright, now again we are back to Safari, and let's start with our first demo, which is an AI powered quiz generator. So I'm going to quickly type here build an AI powered quiz app where I can enter any topic and it generate 5 multiple choice question with explanation for a wrong answer. Let's click on OK. And there you go, your AI powered quiz app. And the way you realize, because you cannot have an app that have got all the questions. So it must be AI powered to simply give it any topic and generate 5 questions. So I'm gonna here type let's say Nalanda University, which maybe not everyone is aware of. So this is one of the oldest university known to humankind. And now it's going to create 5 questions about it. And there you go. There are 5 questions generated or created based on Nalanda University. Which is really nice because you are creating or generating this quiz in just few seconds by simply typing the topic. And you can publish this app just like any other artifact by clicking on publish artifact. Let's take another example where we will be creating a little bit of fun by creating a game which will be kind of text adventure game where the AI play as a narrator. Remember all my previous choices. Let's click on go, and again it will start creating this app. Now one more thing I wanted to let you know that I am using Sonnet 4.6 extended, not the Opus 4.6. So Sonnet is also very competent model, I would say, and actually in a way makes more sense to use Sonnet instead of Opus, because it will consume more credits than compared to Opus. And actually I'm going to create a dedicated video on this topic, which is which model we have to choose when. So make sure you subscribe to Technaholic AI so that you never miss any videos from our side. Alright, now let's wait for this process to get completed. And there you go, Adventure came JSX, the unwritten. Now let's also kind of publish this. And when you publish any artifact, the good thing is you can copy the link and can open a new tab, or even can send it to someone. So I'm gonna open it now on complete page, and there you go. It says the unwritten, the story that remember you. So here the story is about to begin. You're waiting, and there you go. Now you can go through this story, and then you have these options what you going to do in this case. So I'm not going to make you feel bored by reading entire para, but this is really interesting where you are being placed in a situation and then being asked what you're gonna do in this situation. Alright, so that's quite exciting, I would say. So this is another example of AI powered artifact where every time you're gonna see a different kind of story will emerge, and then you can play with it. So that's how, guys, you can create AI powered apps inside Claude and can publish it like this. You do not need to worry about hosting and any other thing. All you need to do is you need to publish it and then can share this link with anyone. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technaholic AI to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.